Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share something about the some implementation actually we have done using some rack pipeline configurations for Azure AI. So I can show you the skeleton of the code what we have used for the rack and also what are the features which are available in using the Azure Semantic Kernel. So basically I will tell you that small use case which is like something like we have some product which are all available in our backend. For example, customer based details, customer login information, and what category they are going to search, something like they are going to ask in or search it in any online shopping, right? So there how we have need to implement some agentic solution, right? So we have the database which will contain the customer information and past history of the users, which obviously when user is login, so we'll capture those information cookies, right? So backend we have that, so we'll create some search latest of using Azure AI search based upon the user input. Something like user is going to search XYZ product in online shopping. So we need to be combine the what is that profile of the customer and along with what product they are going to search, and we need to get the most optimized result, right? So this is a simple use case which actually I have taken and try. So this is not fully in the working code. This is a skeleton which I have created. So suppose user is one, he is looking for the product, and we have already the product is defined, and we created a search for that particular product, vectorize the data and which we have put it into search vectorize. So basically the first step what I have done is using the text embedding model, we created the what are the field combination we want, like the product ID, product category, and what is the product name and price of that. Everything is combined and created that text combined, and get it as JSON file and uploaded into that search. Then second is that this is that UI function call which will helps to get the user information. Let I go to that function call here. In that main I'm going, so using the sequential orchestrator, so this one will get the input of the user, and it will trigger the sequential orchestrator. So we have the two agent which are being used. One is a get agent, will contain the list which contain the search, will create the unified search string. For example, customer is one, and what product is looking. So I will combine the gender of this. So I will creating the unified text using the this text embedding data. So once we created the text unifier, then I will pass to the second orchestrator which will check the data from the Azure search. It will using the KN nearby approach vector based search, it will pick it up the most relevant data from the Azure search, and it will be provided. So finally we use that Pydantic model, customer profile and clickstream data and product bundle. Then final response we are getting as this bundle data. So this is that user will get it. So this will be implemented using the semantic kernel and the Pydantic base model and the configuration environment and Azure open endpoint, the chat deployment embedding model. The SQL Server is for getting the they use some few field information of that user and the what product they are looking for. Yeah. So embedding model is useful to what the unified text what the user is giving. So we are using get embedding. We are trying to change that unified string as this part like embedded data. So here is the simple use case. The user input is the agree product and the user ID is 1 and the gender is the male. So I am going to using the text embedding model so I am converted this as the unified search string which contains the zeros on string one's format of the input, so which we are going to pass this unified search string to the AI search. So we already extracted those users information and the product and we placed in the Azure AI search with vectorized. So with the combination of this user ID, gender and product, so we are going to get search in the Azure AI search. So we'll get the most matching response from the Azure AI vectorized data. So then we are going to show the matching product to the user. This is a simple use. So basically we are using the Pydantic model to get the response in the JSON format of the agent. So this is the semantic kernel. We used semantic kernel and the Pydantic model for JSON response in agent and orchestrator. Sequential orchestrator, we use the sequential orchestrator approach. Let me know if you have comment me any questions. Thank you.